Hello class 8. Today we will start the question answer of this one, chapter ethics. Question number 1 is, what do you mean by computer ethics? For question number 1, you have to come in a page number 161, ethics in computing. The below line you will definitely get. Underline answer, computer ethics is a set of moral principle or a code of conduct that governs how to use computer such that you cause no harm to other and no harm to other data as well. Question number 2. What do you understand by the intellectual property rights? Come in a page number 162 for the answer number 2. Intellectual property rights. Underline the answer, students. Anything creating in original by individual is called intellectual property. For an example, an original painting becomes intellectual property of its painter. An original photograph becomes intellectual property of photograph. Like this. Till here the answer number 2nd. What is hacking? How does it harmful? Come to the page number 164. Hacking means gaining unlawful access to a computer. A person who hacks a computer is called hacker. And the next question in this, how does it harmful? Hackers may change, alter computer systems, security features to steal data and cause harm to your computer system. Till here your answer number 3. Answer number 4. What is software piracy? Come to the page number 168. Software piracy is an unauthorized copying of computer software. Although most computer users today are aware that unauthorized user and copy software is illegal. And how can it be controlled? My dear students, you write one line answer. To avoid the copyright, we can control the software piracy. Question number 5. What do you think software piracy should be controlled? Yes, it should be controlled, because when the unauthorized user wants to make their authorization, so it should be harmful for the authorized person. So it should be controlled. Question number next. What is spamming? Question number 6, my dear student, you need to come in a page number 167. Spamming. Spamming refers to sending or bulk mail by unidentified or unidentified sources in the non-malicious form. Till here is your answer number 6. What is phishing? Phishing, you have to come page number 165 for the phishing. Phishing is a pronounced like fishing, and working function is also similar. In phishing, you catch fish by learning them with a bat. Similarly, in the phishing, an unsuspected user is tricked and taken to a website which appear like genuine website, but actual it's a fraud site. Question number 8. What is a safe browsing habit? For the safe browsing habit, avoid to take a risk with unauthorized gateway system. This is your answer number 8. Answer number 9. What is security measure would you suggest to control access your system? Page number 173. Line number 1. Be cautious about what you publish and where you share. Consult your parent, teacher and set up effective privacy setting. Manage your reputation. This is your answer number 9. Question number 10. What is plagiarism? As I told you, plagiarism is a system where unauthorized user is using your thing without your permission. Page number 163. Plagiarism heading you get. Please underline the answer. The check box is given. Go in that box. Plagiarism in unethical practices of taking someone else's work and presenting as one and one work. Next is, what safety measure would you take for the safe internet browser? Safety measure we will take for the safe internet browser. We will use the safe browser like firewall. Next is, what is firewall? How it is useful? Page number, my dear student, you need to come page number 171. Protection using firewall. In order to keep your computer safe, unauthorized firewall is the best option. Firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to from computer, even to private network of computer. Okay, and it will work either in software or hardware. It is a kind of system. Okay, so it prevent unauthorized user to use. Next is question number 11. I need to tell you again, my dear student, what safety measure would you take for the safe internet browsing? For that you need to come page number 169. Avoid that answer which I told you earlier. This answer should be correct. Come the 169 again. Safety measure. In order to ensure safety using, you must follow certain rules. Since you are minor and have just started using internet, must learn the safe way of using internet. And internet is a place where the most malicious people who easily figure unvaluable children to exploit them. Okay. Next is question is, what is digital footprint? The answer number last page number 171. Digital footprint are the records and trace individuals leave behind as they use internet. Your interaction, social media, your friend circle, social media sites, you visit online purchase location, visit through Facebook, check and see, all make your digital footprint. Till here your answer number 13. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.